Hello everyone, and welcome to JD Illustrations. I wanted to do something a bit different than usual today, and show you guys how I make quick ink sketches for figure studies, and also in preparation for my larger paintings. I also wanted to talk about some of the benefits of ink sketching in comparison to using other mediums. So I've already roughly sketched these figures out in graphite, just so I have some guidelines to build the figure around. And the goal is to bring them to life by adding shadows, midtones, and highlights, giving them a sense of solidarity and depth. These sketches are all master studies after the American military artist Keith Rocco. I really admire his paintings, and I would actually highly recommend checking them out yourself. The nice thing about making master studies in ink is how quickly they can be done. I can create a great sense of depth and motion that would take me much longer to achieve in another medium, like graphite, where you might have to spend a lot of time rendering large areas. For example, each of the figures in this video took me less than 15 minutes to finish, but the final product gives me a good idea of how they'd look in a finished painting, whereas a pencil sketch of the same caliber would take much longer. That's why ink sketches are also really useful for figuring out compositions and for character studies, as their quick and free nature allows for a lot of experimentation in a short time. Another benefit of ink sketches that I want to talk about is the way they teach you about light and shadow. Ink is basically a monotone color in which you can achieve only shadow and midtones, with the white of your paper serving as the highlights. It really forces you to consider what values in your reference fall into one of those three tones, and how that might play together in the finished sketch. The permanence of ink also makes you trust your decision making and really think about the choices you make regarding tone and line weight, which from my personal experience are two of the most important things in art. If you want to try making ink sketches yourself, I would suggest getting a suitable watercolor brush, sized 1 or 2, and some form of water-based ink, such as Winsor & Newton or Speedball. These come in a wide array of colors. In this video I was using granite red, but I often use black or sepia-toned ink. For the best results, you might want to get liquid medium or watercolor paper, as it absorbs the ink better and will produce cleaner results. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.